Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar and today we are going to discuss about daily DevOps+SRE challenge series. This one video will help you to get answers for all your burning questions. I know you were asking whether you are going to get solution videos for this season 1 challenges, as well as how to solve these challenges, how to ask for the help, and what are the challenge series, how who is going to get benefited from these challenges, either me, it's you, or who exactly. Okay, so I'm going to answer all those questions in this video. And okay, let me quickly share my screen and share the behind scene series story and why we started this series in the first place. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm still new for this video recording. Okay, if you remember, we started this daily DevOps SRE challenge series 3 months back. I guess that was around mid-December or November ending sometime. And the reason was very simple. The story is very plain. There is no drama or anything for that. So, um, as you know, I conduct community calls every weekend on Sunday 9 p.m. IST. So earlier I used to conduct these community calls, one-on-one free community calls, okay? But then when I started posting on LinkedIn, the number of community call requests got keep on increasing, and it was very difficult for me to answer all those repetitive questions and give the time for every individual. So what I did, I started conducting group community calls, and it was productive, very productive. We were able to help lot many learners together. There were 40 50 learners used to join the community calls, and the questions were regarding how to clear the certification exam, how to clear the interviews, how to get real-time challenges, and many technical non-technical questions. Okay, that is when this entire story started, when the learners started asking how to get the real world challenges, how to prepare for the CK exam, how to prepare for the secret exam. Even after following a lot of courses and a lot of doing hands-on, they are not getting the confidence to solve the real world problems, and they are facing this issue while answering the questions during the interview. That sparked the thought of starting the daily DevOps SRE challenge series to make them consistent, to make them job ready, to help them to upskill, to give them idea what are the real world challenges and how to tackle those challenges. Okay, that is the origin of this daily DevOps SRE challenge series. I promised we are going to conduct this series for at least an year. So um, I asked them to make them comfortable and get ready for the amazing ride they are going to get with this daily challenge series. So this is one of the posts 3 months back when I used to wake up early in the morning, 5 a.m., and I used to draft the challenges, amazing challenge, unique challenges. This you won't find anywhere on the internet, and you will find this feedback over the LinkedIn and also in our community that these are very hand-picked and tailored challenges for the DevOps SRE. Many of students and as well as professionals have already received the internships and jobs and able to clear the interviews, able to clear the certification exams from this series. So I don't really need to speak on the benefit of doing the challenges. But yes, if you have not started, please make sure you start it and get benefited from this free series. Okay, I have done my part. So I shared 50 challenges every day. Even I was on vacation, I was in Dubai, I was at KubeCon, I was at my hometown. I made sure that you get all those challenges in your inbox daily. So when we started, We started sending the challenges to individuals in their mailbox, like Gmail, but the number kept on increasing. The number of people interested in the challenges kept on increasing, and there is some limit on sending the emails every day from particular email. So, uh, I guess on day 40, we faced some issue and we were not able to send the challenges. It was huge challenge, production grade project we were trying to send. We hit the limit of sending the emails for that particular day and we missed the strict. um, so that's why we found a solution to start sending the challenges in the Google group. So I'll explain how to join this Google group and find all the previous challenges and everything. That is one reason to start the Google group. Another reason is people were also asking how to get the challenges from day one, because a few people joined on the day 40, few people joined very late on the day 50, few people joined on the day 10. So they were asking how to start from the day one, because I was continuously suggesting everyone, it doesn't matter from which day you have joined us, but please make sure you start from day one, because there is certain path we followed for this entire series. We started with Linux and shell scripting basic, then we also covered the networking basic, which is very important base for the DevOps and SRE engineers. Then we started for the Docker challenges, we started the Kubernetes challenges, we started entire CKA preparation series. We also covered the Terraform, we covered the AWS, we covered the Prometheus, Grafana, monitoring, observability, and lot many things. But if you directly join on the day 30 or day 40 when we start the Kubernetes, you won't have any idea or required knowledge to solve those challenges. So I, I always suggest start from day one. Doesn't matter how many days or months it is going to take you to solve the day 50, but always start from the basic. I always start from the day one. Okay, this was so yeah. So I think we created this Google group on the 18th of Jan when we faced the email limit, and I have documented all 50 challenges here. You can come anytime and you will find very well organized challenges, structured challenges here on our Google group. Okay. So what you can expect from this challenges? This is nothing random series available on the internet. This hand-picked, tailored 5 a.m. in the morning. I have woken up and designed all the challenges. I read a lot of books, blogs, and I know what are the things expected from the DevOps and SRE engineers. So there has been a lot of hard work how already we have put into this challenges series questions, and this is amazing. You'll just find the good feedback on the internet. Okay, so this series will help you to upskill. It will help you to prepare for the interviews. It will also help you to prepare, not prepare. I'm very damn sure that it will help you to clear your CKD exam. It will help you to clear your Terraform exam, as well as AWS Associate exam. Associate, that is Solution Architect Associate. Okay. Okay, that is for the clearing your exam, certification exams, but it is not limiting to that. It does have everything which you need to clear your interview. I keep on sharing all those feedbacks from my community members in the, you know, on the Discord channel, so people stay motivated and they keep on solving all the challenges. So this was the entire thing and the entire series to start this challenge series. I enjoyed it a lot. I used to wake up very early morning and think about how I can make it very interesting and very unique series. This challenge series has to be very unique, not anything randomly. I'm taking something on the chat GPT or something copy paste content. No, That was never our motive, and we are very successful with this series to provide the unique 50 challenges. Let me give you simple examples. So this was one day one challenge. People found interest from this day one challenge itself, because this was many driven health script uh, which we as a DevOps+SRE engineer, we need the Linux knowledge and many different Linux commands, and we also do the shell scripting. So this was the challenge was designed considering that how to check the disk usage, how to check the monitor the running services, how to check the memory usage, CPU usage. And we did not limit it to that. We also went ahead and additionally extra um, cherry on this entire challenge, that you need to send the comprehensive email report daily of this usage, whatever the you have gotten the result from health script, to some member or to yourself. So people got to learn about their shell scripting. They got to learn about the basics Linux commands, as well as how to send the emails using Linux, Linux or the shell. And they are free to use anything. They can do this exercise using Python or shell scripting. And okay, so there was very good learning from the day one challenge itself, and I'm very happy people realized it how challenging and good series this is going to be. And many of students or learners have already solved almost 30-40 challenges, and they have sent me shared the um, good feedback about this, how they improved the knowledge about the Linux, Python, the Docker, Kubernetes, and they also added very good projects from this series for their resume and how it is helping to clear them interviews, and lot of good feedback. We also provide the submission guidelines. You need to upload the solution on your GitHub repository. You need to also share the what are the challenges you faced while solving this challenge. And if you need any help, we are just one message away on the LinkedIn or the Discord. You can always reach out. So that is very good learning community we designed. You can see so far 938 members joined in the 3 months, and more than 500-600 people. I'm very sure they keep on solving these challenges before going for the interview or for their exams. Okay, I guess one of the reason I remember to start this series, because I used to keep. I'm very active on LinkedIn. Many of you know, and I keep on sharing this different good projects and whatever I am learning from the books, from the conferences, from different blogs and everything on the LinkedIn. But it was difficult for my learners and the followers to go through the content from my profile. So these challenge series give them a structured path to upskill, to clear the interviews, to get ready for the interviews or to get ready for the exams. Okay, and let me give you one simple example. Um, if you see, this is the best challenge we designed, the day 50 challenge, the epic finale, deploying production ready microservices with best practices. This has everything. We asked people and we promise that this is going to happen. You will get strong foundation of your Linux, networking, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes. You'll understand how GitHub Actions to use, Argo CD, security, observability, infrastructure as a code, everything in one project. Because I personally believe there is no one there is no project only with the Docker, or there is no one project only with the Kubernetes. when you talk about the DevOps+SRE project, it consists of a lot of different tools and technologies, and you need to understand which tool is important for your project. That is why I keep on, whenever I give the challenge, project based challenge, I make sure you get to learn different tools and their integration, when to use which tool. So this was amazing challenge. We already provide the GitHub repository for the book info application. Then there was first task, sub-task for the challenge was to set up the infrastructure using Terraform and EKS. So you need to set up your EKS cluster using Terraform and deploy Prometheus Grafana stack, or you can use any monitoring stack for monitoring your EKS infrastructure. Make sure you use the HashiCorp Vault and the secrets for the secret management. You use the GitHub Action or and Argo CD for GitOps. Design the CI/CD pipeline. Okay, then we also ask them to get familiar with the Helm charts, customize Helm charts to for the different tasks, then implement the network policies, how to use the Argo rollouts, and again monitoring stack for using the Prometheus Grafana Alert Manager, Loki, perform the EKS cluster upgrades, database upgrades, application upgrades, perform the cost optimization using Cost Explorer, set up the AWS budget, set up the cluster auto scaling, VPA, HPA, and some bonus tasks as well. Disaster recovery for security, use the Calico or Cilium, HashiCorp, or make sure to enable the RBAC. And yeah, so this was the entire industry grade challenge designed, and this was the level we have set. Okay, I people are very excited for this season 2, what we are going to bring for the season 2. uh, so if you are very new, suggest go through all the challenges, start from the day one. Soon I'm going to start posting the solution for the season 1 challenges, as well as we are going to start the season 2 from tomorrow. So this season 2 I'm totally going to dedicate for my um, you know freshers, fresher learners. The season 1, I thought people were ready to handle the season 1 challenges, but yeah, people got to learn a lot of things. As well as for fresher, it was very difficult to solve the challenges and learn the GitHub Actions, Kubernetes, Terraform. um, Very difficult. So considering all those factors, I have decided to design the season 2 challenges for the freshers. I'm going to dedicate this entire challenge for the freshers. Okay, so let me share that news. I think I recently shared it somewhere. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. I recently announced it 1 day back that to celebrate 4 years of consistency, growth, and accomplishment with my current organization, and hitting the gym continuously for the third year. So I am able to make the consistency and the growth for myself. But now I want to go one step ahead and do that for my community members, especially for freshers, because I have a lot of freshers, learners in my community, and I want to do something good for them. So, what we discussed this season 2 daily DevOps SI challenge series is starting from the Monday, which is tomorrow, and this is designed especially for freshers, one-stop solution. They don't need to go anywhere to prepare for the interviews or to start their DevOps SRE journey. What we are going to cover? We are going to cover GitHub Actions, Linux, shell scripting, Python, Docker, Containerd, Kubernetes, Helm, Argo CD, Flux CD, AWS Azure Cloud, Terraform, Crossplane, Grafana, Prometheus, ELK, EFK, some level of observability important. Yes, questions, Jenkins and Ansible up to some level. Okay, what you can expect, I'll share some notes for these challenges, and if possible I'll also share the required knowledge for all these topics and the challenges before giving the challenge in the form of YouTube video or pre-recorded or the live sessions. Okay, and then I'll provide you this challenge. After that, I'll also share the solutions probably over the weekend. So you'll get the entire time to solve the weekday challenges, and on the weekend I'll try to share the solution videos for the season 2 challenges. Okay, and yeah, so that is my plan for the season 2. I'm very excited, very pumped to get it started, and lot of amazing learning. If you are experienced candidate, then I would highly suggest to go for the season 1, because that is for you. If you are fresher, if you want to upscale, you are starting with your journey, if you want to transition into DevOps+SRE, season 2 is for you. I'm dedicating this season 2 for you. I'm repeating it again, and it is starting from tomorrow. We are going to start with very basic things. I'll cover everything which is required for you to transition into DevOps+SRE role, and how you can make it better for yourself. Okay. um yeah, so let me share. You'll find this Google group link on any of my recent LinkedIn posts. So here is Google group link and the link to Discord, Discord server. You can join from there, and make sure you share this with your friends and other learners. Use our hashtag, tag me, and start your journey. And very all the best to you as well as for me. I'm very excited. And okay, that's it for this video. Let's get started. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. See you next time.